It's Saitama here, your father, speaking to you today about motivation. We all struggle with getting certain things done within our lives. This video is for you because it applies to me, it applies to anyone in this world. Motivation is one of those things that is overhyped. I have never been motivated to exercise. It was something that I learned that I had to just create a habit out of it. Let's talk about habit and motivation because they are two different things. Habit, we want to rely on. Motivation, we don't. If you are relying on motivation to carry you through anything in life, you will find that you will fail at the thing that you were trying to do. If you habitually exercise, regardless of how motivated you are that day, you are going to go exercise on the day that you are supposed to exercise. Whereas if you just rely on motivation to carry you through, you're gonna find yourself not exercising. That's what usually happens to people. They pay for a membership and then they show up for like a month because they're on that motivation hype, and then it dies down, and then they just say, oh, I just didn't have time, or I haven't been motivated recently. You can't rely on motivation to get you through it. Habit is gonna carry you, it's what's gonna drive you to success. You need to push yourself to do it even on the days that you're not completely feeling it. If I were actually sick, then I wouldn't go. I wouldn't force myself if I'm sick. However, if I was just not feeling it, that wasn't excuse enough. So what I would do is I'd pack my things, fight through that feeling of, I don't feel like going, I could just go another day, and go. Because the problem is, if you let yourself do that once, that's an easy habit to get into. And then you will habitually not go to the gym. If you plan to do a 1 kilometer run every other day, but then you start to not feel it, go run. Schedules are fantastic. They don't even have to be very detailed. Just schedule the main parts of your day that you feel, this is what I want to get done. And then make it happen. Because no one is going to motivate you better than your habit. So I hope that was helpful to you guys. I hope you guys understand that motivation isn't what drives me. It's probably also not what drives you at the end of the day. It's your habits. This has been your father, Saitama. Thank you guys so much for supporting me and for watching this video. Stay salty out there and have a great day.